Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up Helium browser in your computer. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply search here Helium, and that's it. Click on the Helium browser and then you're going to get this website from helium.computer. Click on this website and from here you're going to get the download option. Before that, we're going to read this: internet without interruption, best privacy and unbiased ad blocking by default, handy features by native banks and split view, no adder, no blot, no noise, made for people by people, fully open source. So click on now for download, click on download, and this is my version x8664. So I'm going to click on that and you can see the download has been started. After complete the download, we're going to start to install. And as you can see, the Helium browser is right open in our computer. So you can see they are saying meet Helium. Let's configure your browser just the way you want it. If you are in a rush, you can stick to default with best privacy and comfort. So in this video, I'll only just going to show you how you can download and go for a default settings. So click on use default. And here you can see is your Helium browser is rightly open. It looks similar like Google Chrome, so there will be a easy shift if you want to come over into Helium, and it's right now a very privacy browser. Here you can simply download and install Helium for your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.